How to change Facebook page URL. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Log into the account that has admin access to the page you want to change. Look at the top right corner of your Facebook page. Click on your profile picture or icon there to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand to show more options. Next, in the expanded menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage your Facebook account and page settings. On the left side of the Settings page, you will see several options. Find and click on Page Setup. This is where you can manage the settings specific to your Facebook page. Look for a section labeled Name. Next to Name, there will be a View button. Click on that. Under the Name section, you'll find a part labeled Username. Next to Username, there's an Edit button. Click on that to open the username editing option. In the box that appears, type in the new username you want for your page. Make sure it's something unique and easy to remember, like your business name. Facebook will check if the username is available and fits their guidelines. Finally, after entering your new username, click on the Save Changes button to update your page URL. And there you have it. Changing your Facebook page URL is quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.